Hello, I'm Emmanuel, and this is Kitchen Ordinaire. I love playing around in the kitchen, having a good time while putting together simple but delicious meals that don't break the bank. So let's cook dinner together and have some fun! Hello everybody! Last week we made ribs! This week we're making wings! Yeah, it's Super Bowl week. Let's get all the football foods. Let's do it. Can't go to bars. Have to make your own bar food. So here we go. We're gonna start with the blue cheese dressing. Got some yogurt. Gotta have some blue cheese. The traditional blue cheese. Let's make sure that this is indeed blue cheese. Yeah, confirmed. That's blue cheese. Alright, a little bit of mayo. We're gonna put some lemon juice in there. Salt and pepper. And just like that, we have blue cheese dip. I know, super simple. Alright, we're gonna stir it up. Put it in a serving ramekin. And then keep that in the fridge. Now let's season some wings. We want some parsley. Zing! Alright, we're gonna have some chili powder and some onion powder and some garlic powder and then thyme. We need one more thing. This is the secret ingredient. It's baking powder. It's gonna make the wings crispy. Now we want to coat the wings with our spice mix. I'm using my hands. Remember to wash your hands after you touch chicken. Hey, wash your hands. Or you can use tongs. Some people don't like to touch raw meat. It's okay. Just try and distribute the rub evenly, and then the wings go on a rack on a baking sheet. And the rack is important because you want to separate the wings. It's going to help make them crispy. Let's talk about sauce. Buffalo sauce, that's gonna be hard to do, right? No, you just need butter. How much butter? Just this much butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. That's right. And some sriracha. Let's melt the 2 tablespoons of butter. Again, this is the proportion I'm using for just 1 pound of the party wings, okay? And I'm doing a 2-to-1 ratio butter to sriracha. If you want it hotter, add some sriracha. Alright, let's toss that up. And then, hey, smells like and tastes like buffalo sauce. Crazy. Alright, the chicken goes in there and we're gonna toss it. This is done. I mean, how simple is that? Seriously. Alright, you want your celery sticks. Check it out. We are ready for the big game. Oh, the halftime show. Best ever halftime show? I think Prince. Yeah, Prince. That was just crazy. He actually made that rain happen with his mind. That's right. We got wings. Yeah!